Hello guys, so this is a continuation of InfoSecWarrior CTF 2020. Until now I have completed this InfoSecWarrior part 1 and part 2. So today I'm gonna complete this part 3. So let's begin. So first of all, we need to read a description. Before that, let me open my VirtualBox and start the machine. Until then, let's see at the description. So this VM given as a challenge 3 InfoSecWarrior CTF 2020 official website. So this box is dedicated to mentor. You'll find the name of the box. So if you face an error or need any help, ping me at okay. And goal, here is our goal. So you have to gain a highest privilege and collect 2 flag, user flag as well as root flag. Loot box is not available in a VM. The WordPress developer configured the machine to work internally, but due to some misconfiguration, WordPress is exported to outside world. Use your skill and get the root flag. So let's see. So it has successfully loaded. So here we have our IP address, and we can do basic enumeration. For that, let's clear out. So let's do nmap, that's v, and let's type our IP address, right? And so this scan all the 1000 port. So inside 1000 port we have port 22 and port 80 is open. So port 22 is basically SSH, and let's open this port 80 first. It should shows a WordPress. So this is just another website. Okay, so we have author name by Krishna, and welcome to the post, edit delete, and let's use our Nikto. Okay, first of all, let me just split this window. Okay, then let's use Nikto dash h, and let's give our IP address, the 1.6, and let's hit enter. So let's wait a few sec to complete this. And what else do we got? So problem would be if we try to load this, so it does redirect to our local host, and that's the problem, right? So there is no login or something. So if we just go there, so it just redirect to our local host. And let's see. So we are getting Apache version 2.4.29, and we have PHP my admin as well as WP WordPress content. That's all right. So let's try to see the directory. So if we could get inside or not. Okay, we don't have anything, so it has nothing. And we can look at my PHP my admin login. Okay, let's paste it over here. Let's try couple of admin. So it's wrong. So root So we got inside PHP, so it has used WP database. So inside here we can find importing factor that is WP user. So we have two user, that is user 1 and another is Krishna, right? And let's copy this, right? And let's try to crack it. Okay, that's not it. I just wanted to keep a note, so I just like to copy over here, and this is a username, and password would be on hash. Okay, that's kind of wrong. Okay, let's copy this, let's paste it over here, and this is a hash. So you can use John for that. So this has if we decode it, right, it just it means InfoSec, that's the hash. And so let's go further, let's clear out this, let's clear this screen, and let's go SSH, and okay, let me copy that, let me copy this and try to log in over there. Let's paste it at the rate 192.168.1.6, and let's hit enter. So it asks us password, that is InfoSec. Let's hit enter. So let's wait. So we got our cell, so we do ls, let's cat it out, message I configure WordPress for you and make you admin of it, so your login credential are same as your system login credential, right? So that's the problem over here. And let's do ls. So let's see how many users are there, right? So we can see loop spell. So if we just do ls, then let's go at home, and so we have two users, or we can do just cat, then etc shadow. Okay, so we don't have that permission, so we should be definitely root, right? So that's the goal. So for that, let's see at the password file. So if we just do, let's scroll up, we have this is the current user, and let's go up. So we don't have nothing interesting over here. Okay, that's fine. And there is another, so these two are the extra user, we can elevate our privilege. So let's see, so let's go to home, right? So this is basically how I solved this challenge. So I did loop spell, and let's see all the files, right? So we have backup that text, which can be opened by this loop spell, and other we don't have nothing. So this can be opened by loop spell and this root user. Okay, that's fine. And we can do sudo -l. So we have access. So I can do ID, hostname. Okay, that's fine. Hostname. So we are this user. This user Krishna has this home loop spell and code compiler .sh. It can run. So we can just cat it out. Let's copy this and let's paste it over here. Let's hit enter. So this is a simple bash script where it takes as one argument and it echoes code is compiling. So basically it's using a GCC C compiler from user bin and GCC. So and it makes a file. It does make a file and okay. So after compiling it goes to temp directory. Okay, that's fine. So we can use GFTOBIN for looking a binary, and let's go over here and let's paste GCC and we can see the binary. So we can use sudo if sudo is allowed it. So let's get started, and here is our cell. So first of all let's use sudo -u for user. So we are using loop spell. So we are using this and trying to execute this script. After running this, so it basically compiles the whatever given binary or C file we have. So after that let's just do enter. So it gives you error. So compilation terminate. There is no input file. So we need an input. So we can pass this as an input. Let's copy this and let's go over here and let's paste it directly. Right? No, it won't work. We need as an argument, right? So we need to have like this quotation mark. So let's hit enter. So let's do ID. So we have successfully got our user, and let's use another cell, right? Python-c, or you can do with Python. So it's using Python 2. So you can do or Python 3. So it's using both Python, it doesn't matter. So let's use a cell, Python cell. So we can do import pty and pty.spa.spawn. Okay, so let's do bin bash and let's close it. Okay, so now everything is working. So and next thing would be to look at the sudo file, right? Or we can just do sudo-l. So it basically has the permission of this. So it has all the, so user loop may run the following on ck05. So it has user bin and GCC. So we can do similar approach would be sudo -user as root. Then let's do copy this. Let's copy this and paste it over here, and let's let's use that same command over here. So you can see here it can be break out from any restricted environment by spawning an interactive cell. So that's fine, that's what we need. Let's paste it over here. Let's close this bracket and let's hit enter. So and let's use Python -c and let's import the pty module, and let's do pty.spa.when spawn bin gas. So let's hit enter. Okay, so I need to close that. Okay, something isn't right, so let's see what did I make mistake. So if I go up and let's try copying that, then I guess it was right or wrong. I need to look that again. So import. Okay, let's paste it and let's hit enter. Okay, I need to paste it over here. Sometimes I might get a typo error, right? So that's the problem. Spawn. Let's hit enter. Okay. So we can do Python 3. So you might be wondering, it might not be necessary, so I just wanted to show you like interactive cell. That's why I like to use interactive cell rather than using this boring cell. So let's spawn this. Let's hit enter. So we got it. So let's clear it. Let's do IT. So we are at a root cd root. Let's do ls and let's cat it out. That's the root flag, and where is that user flag? I like to show you at the end, right? Cat. Okay, we are at cd home. No, we can just cat it out from here. Home loop spell, right? And we have user.txt, and this is how you get root user as root user flag as well as user flag. Thank you guys.